going to show you how I diagnose bad shift linkage bushings. That is the driver front tire. Goes straight underneath the car. And this is the exhaust pipe here. We're looking for the shift linkage. How I tell if the bushings are bad, I'm going to shake the shift linkage here. Moving separately from the shifter coming out of the transaxle. Those bushings are just completely shot. I don't even know if there's any bushing left in there. Another way I check for bad shift linkage bushings, when it's in gear, you can shake your shift stick. And if it's really loose, that can also be a sign of bad shift linkage bushings.